Okay, so I dropped a video yesterday talking about my overall bad experience using the Samsung One UI 8.5 Beta 2. I really didn't have anything positive to say about it, right? It just was a huge step back from Beta 1. Well, right after I dropped the video, Beta 3 went live. So I just updated it and I've just been using it for a few hours. So let me give you my thoughts for this short time I've been having One UI 8.5 Beta 3. Right? So sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is back with another video. So One UI Beta 3 code name is ZZA3. And it fixed some things such as lock screen errors that wasn't displaying the clock. I've seen that from time to time. Also, it fixed some issues with the Now Brief app. It wasn't displaying. I mean, it was just kind of going away. And it fixed some lagging issues in the Samsung Gallery app. That's been kind of plaguing this device for the last couple of iterations of the beta. But the huge one, right, was power consumption while apps are running. Now, that's going to be the overheating issue that I've been preaching about for the last, on yesterday's video. One of the biggest problems that I have with Beta 2 was overheating, right? Overheating, which was causing bad battery life, OS crashes, app crashes, and more, right? Okay, so after downloading it, I've just been using it for a few hours now, so I really have to report back to you guys. But one of the major issues that I was having is overheating, and it looked like that's something that they've addressed. They improved the issues for high power consumption when using apps, and I think that's one of the issues that I was having, right? It was kind of any app, right? Whether or not it's going to be my email app or just going through the OS, just running this apps period, that this device was hot. And this device was hot even idling. And even when I had my screen kind of way below halfway, it still was hot. Now, the temperature app that I'm using, it's been idle and looked like it's still hovering around 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, this device was always at around 87 to 91 degrees Fahrenheit when idle. So since I just downloaded it, looked like it went down a couple of degrees at idling stage. I had to report back to you guys to give you guys a definite answer on if the overheating issue has been fixed. Now, one of the issues that I preached about by using One UI 8.5 Beta 2 was, since the device was hot all the time, it was just killing the battery life. I mean, I was getting literally 3 hours of battery life. And so hopefully this version of the beta fixed that. Also, since it was hot all the time, that means that apps were lagging. That means that this device was thermal throttling, which causes apps to lag, which causes the OS to crash, which causes apps to crash. So hopefully the thermals has been fixed on this device. Now, just to be honest with you, the Galaxy S25 Ultra battery life hasn't been the best. I've been complaining about it since I've been owning it. But overall, I believe that this should fix some of the issues that I've been complaining about when it comes down to overheating. So look, here's the thing, y'all, right? Since I'm using the beta, I'm reporting these issues to you guys so y'all guys can know what's going on with these betas. I would like to have these videos talking about some of the good things that the beta have brought to the table. But and I did that with Beta 1. So if you watch my YouTube channel, when I dropped the video talking about Beta 1, I talked about all the new features and enhancements and stuff like that in Beta 1. Now, Beta 2, I have nothing positive to say with Beta 2 because all the issues that was plaguing this device. Now, Beta 3 has dropped. Hopefully, I can find some good positive things to bring to you guys with Beta 3. But right now, I just downloaded it. It just dropped and looked like some of the issues with battery life and some of the issues with overheating may be fixed, because I've never seen it go as low as 87 degrees Fahrenheit. It was hovering between 87 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 to 91 to 92 degrees Fahrenheit. And if I run a game, or if I heavily use my email, it'll get all the way up to 110, 130 degrees Fahrenheit. But right now we're at about 84 degrees Fahrenheit idling, which to me, I still believe is a little hot. I'm in a cool environment right now. I still believe that 84 degrees is still too hot, and that's gonna be, I think it's just too hot for this device to be at. Now it's about 29 degrees Celsius, but yeah. So, you know, this so y'all guys can see some of the issues here, and with the temperature. And look, as you can see, it's really nothing going on with the device, but it's spiking. And that's something that, you know, that Samsung has to address with these betas, right? And hopefully when the final version come out, you won't get spikes and stuff like that. So listen, if you are running beta software on your device, please let me know down in the comments below. And or you was having these overheating issues if you was running beta 2. Now this is beta 3. Let's see what it's all about. Hopefully they would fix some of these issues that I was having. I would definitely make videos and let you guys know everything about what's going on with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.